In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Facebook for beginners. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on? Rory here from rorygoddardmentoring.com. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. If you are new here, you're very, very welcome. I make videos about making money online and I endeavor to inspire and encourage you to go out there and create more financial freedom in your life so you can do more of the things you love. But let's get stuck into today's content where I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Facebook or with Facebook for beginners. It's going to be free. You know, anybody can do this from anywhere in the world. So make sure you pay attention all the way to the end so you can get all the little details that make this method so useful. Let's get stuck into it. Now, for most businesses, it's usually going to cost you a lot of money to get started. You're usually going to need a website. You usually need your own product and service to sell. But with the method that I'm going to show you today, you do not need any of that. You don't need your own website. You don't need your own product or service to sell. And you definitely don't need a huge amount of money to get started with this strategy. Step number one is to identify and choose a target audience that have a specific goal that they're trying to achieve. You know, are they trying to achieve weight loss? Are they trying to quit their job and make money online? Are they trying to find a life partner? You know, whatever it might be something that you're interested in or passionate about, or it might simply just be something that you know that there are a lot of people out there willing to hand over a lot of money to reach this goal or solve this problem that they have in their life. So you want to choose one of these, you know, some sort of goal that you want to help people achieve. Step number two is to find a product or a service that you can actually promote to this target audience and that's going to help this target audience achieve that goal. Now, in most business models, you're going to have to, spend the time, the energy, the money into actually creating that product or service. But with the business model I'm going to show you today, you do not need to do that. All you simply need to do is leverage the hard work of other businesses, other people out there who have already created these products, that are already solving these problems for these people and are helping them achieve their goals. And all you need to do is promote these products and earn a commission in doing so. Now, this is called affiliate marketing. And if you're new to affiliate marketing, you haven't heard much about it, you're going to learn about it a little bit in this video, but I also have a special surprise for you at the end of this video. So basically, step one is to find a problem that you want to help people solve or a goal that you want to help people achieve. And then you want to go out there and you want to find an affiliate product, a product that you can actually sign up to an affiliate program within that product. And that product is a product that can help this serve this target audience. So that's step number one and step number two. Step number three is to optimize your Facebook profile. Now, you may want to create a new profile for this strategy, or you can simply use your current Facebook profile. Now, the way that I've got my profile set up at the moment isn't exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. The way that I've got mine set up is a little more advanced, but I'm still going to use it as an example. So the first step that you're going to want to do to optimize your Facebook profile is to create a cover image. Now, the cover image is obviously going to depend, you know, what you put on the cover image is obviously going to depend on what product you're promoting and what the goal is that people are trying to achieve, that your target audience are trying to achieve. So let's just, for example, say that your target audience are people who want to quit their 9-to-5 job and learn how to make money online. What you could do is, once you've found a product that can actually help people do that, depending on what the product is, you might be able to use some of their marketing that they use to put on your cover photo. But for example, you could put something like, learn how to create a consistent, repeatable and predictable income online with affiliate marketing. Or you could just simply leave it at, learn how to create a consistent, repeatable and predictable income online. And then you want to have like a click this button to join, to learn how to do that. You click here to learn more or something like that. And then what you want to set up so that when people actually click on this header image, you want to put the link to the sales page of the product that you're promoting in that link, in the description of that photo. So then they can go through, they can click on the link, they can see this product and they can learn how to achieve the goal that they're trying to achieve through buying this product. So that's basically what you want to do. As you can see, I'm directing people to a Facebook group. So I'm using some more advanced marketing to increase my conversions and build a more long-term sustainable business. If that's something you want to learn how to do, how to actually turn this into a more full-time, reliable, predictable income online, a sustainable online business, then I recommend you head down to the description below and you click the first link in the description. You can sign up to the 100% free training that will teach you how to build a sustainable online business with affiliate marketing. But that's essentially all you need to do. You need to find choose a target audience that you want to, that has a particular goal that they're trying to achieve. You want to find a product that you can sign up to an affiliate program under that product, and a product that actually going to serve this target audience. And then you simply want to go out and optimize your Facebook profile. Now, one thing that you might be thinking is, how do you actually, attract people to this? Now, one way is that there's just organic growth. So as you go out there and you add more friends and you get more people viewing your profile, then obviously you're going to have more people coming across this. But another great strategy that you can use is you can actually go out into Facebook groups that are related to your target audience, that, for example, into online making money online groups or affiliate marketing groups or any of the other make money online business models groups. If you're doing weight loss, then it could be any of the weight loss groups that are out there. There's thousands of groups in these sorts of niches, and you can go in there and you can actually start to add targeted friends, or you can communicate with these people. You can leave comments and answer questions, and then when people see these comments and they see you engaging in these communities, they click through. You have more and more people clicking through, seeing your profile, seeing this cover image, wanting to learn more about how they can achieve X, Y, and Z, or whatever it might be, and then clicking through your affiliate link to the sales page, buying the product that you're promoting, and you earning commissions in doing so. How good is that? So it's a very simple method to making money online. And like I said, if you want to learn more advanced strategies, head down below, click the first link and sign up to the free training. All right, guys, that is everything for today's video. If you don't understand any of it, or if you're stuck on any of it and you have any questions, make sure you head down to the comments and ask away. I will get back to you. But other than that, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button to show your appreciation. If you want to continue learning more about different ways of making money online, and in particular affiliate marketing, make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can be notified when my next video comes out. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.